Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to do a very super fun and magical science experiment of water refraction. And in this experiment, you will see colors disappearing in the water. For this experiment, we need a poly bag, a bowl, a white sheet, colors and a marker. First, we will draw any simple picture on the white paper. You can draw anything. We are drawing here a rainbow. You can draw a fish, a heart, a flower or anything you like. Now color this drawing nicely. Now place this drawing inside this transparent Ziploc bag or any poly bag. Now we will carefully outline the drawing on the outside of this bag using the marker. And now comes the exciting part. We will slowly lower the Ziploc bag into the bowl of water and look carefully. The colors look like they are disappearing. Isn't that amazing? So how does this work? It happens because of refraction. For more details, check the caption below. Try this experiment with your kids at home and amaze them. Till then, see you in the next experiment. Bye.